brush shape dynamics and color dynamics. In this lesson, we will learn about shape dynamics and color dynamics. First, let us see about the shape dynamics. By increasing the size jitter, we can bring variation in the size of brush particles. In this, to set the least size of the particle, minimum diameter option is to be selected. To set the angle into non-uniform and to rotate the particles in different angles, angle jitter is used. By using roundness jitter option, we can draw the particles with roundness variation from minimum to maximum. Now let us look at color dynamics. By using color dynamics, we can apply strokes with color variation. By setting foreground and background jitter from the toolbar, we can get strokes with different blend percentage for foreground and background colors. By increasing hue jitter, we get a stroke with different color shades. By changing saturation and brightness, we can adjust the color percentage and brightness. We can also set the opacity jitter and the flow jitter in the other dynamics. By changing the opacity jitter, we can control the opacity.